I want to demonstrate the effectiveness of sound deadening material in a van, a cargo van. I'm working in a Ford Transit van, and I'm trying to deaden the sound in here. Traveling down the road, it's very noisy, especially when it's raining hard out. It's kind of difficult to carry on a conversation with the passenger when the rain's beating on the ceiling. The amount of metal in the van, it just resonates very badly, and it's kind of noisy in here. And I've done this before, and it really has good results. So I just wanted to demonstrate this, show you the difference. I'm working on the rear doors right now of this Ford Transit van. I've done one door. I've yet to get started on the second door, so I can compare them side by side. And what I'm using is this material called HushMat. There's also some material called Dynamat. There's several different brands. I'm not sure that one's any better than the other. You can do your research online to see what might work best for you. This stuff has been working for me. It comes in sheets that are 1 foot by 2 foot long. It just has this backing that you peel off. It's real sticky on the back side. This side here, this black side, it also comes in well, it's aluminum, so it's like a silver color. You can get black or the silver, doesn't matter. Some of it's going to be showing, you might opt for black. I'm not really sure why I got black in this case, because mine's not going to be showing. But anyway, you cut this up and you stick it in the door, and it doesn't look real pretty when you're working in the door because it's really hard to get in there. You can see all the gaps I have in there, but it really doesn't matter because it doesn't take much of this stuff. From what I've heard, you only have to cover like 30% of the metal, and you can see I've got a lot more than 30% covered. I've done the ceiling already. I can show you that. So see, I've got almost all of the ceiling done, everything but the ribs, with no gaps. So it's really made a difference. You pound on that ceiling and it's just dead. I'm not going to pound on this video because I don't have anything to compare it to. There's not a part of the ceiling not done yet, so you're not going to really get the effect of it, but you will on the door here. So let's get back to the door. I just wanted to demonstrate the entire ceiling, how I've done it. So back to the door, you cut the pieces up, you stick them in there the best you can. Here's the door with no sound deadening material in it. Now let's go outside. We'll do a demonstration outside. Okay, here's the side that's finished with the sound deadening material. Okay, now let's move over to this side that is not done. Sound deadening? No sound deadening. Sound deadening? No sound deadening. Really makes a big difference when you're driving down the road, just in the overall comfort, especially on long distances. Let's go around the side here. I've done this entire side here, so all this is done. Be very solid sounding. I have not done above the door here. Sound deadening? No sound deadening. Again, that's above the big sliding door. I have yet to get in there to put any sound deadening material in. Over here's done.